Planning a trip to Sri Lanka in January? Great choice. It's one of the best months to explore the island. In this video, I'll give you the top January travel tips every traveler should know, from weather and packing to where to go, what to expect, and how to plan your journey smoothly. January gives warm, sunny, and stable weather, especially on the south and west coast. Expect temperatures between 26 degrees Celsius and 31 degrees Celsius, low humidity, and very little rain. If it does rain, it's usually just a short tropical shower. January is ideal for exploring these areas: South Coast, Mirissa, Galle, Bentota; Hill Country, Yala and Kandy Wildlife Parks, Yala and Udawalawe; Colombo for great evenings and nightlife. These regions are at their best during January. January is one of Sri Lanka's highest tourist months. Hotels, whale-watching boats, safaris, and trains often sell out weeks in advance. To avoid disappointment, book your hotels, transport, and tours early. If there's one activity you shouldn't miss in January, it's whale watching in Mirissa. January is peak season for blue whales, dolphins, and calm seas. Make sure to join a licensed operator for safety and responsible tourism. Sri Lanka has multiple climate zones, even in January. For the coast, bring swimwear, light cotton clothes, sunscreen, sunglasses, hat. For Ella and Kandy, pack a light jacket, long sleeve top for chilly mornings, comfortable shoes for hikes. January traffic can get busy in major tourist regions. To save time and avoid stress, pre-book a trusted local driver or travel agency. Ceylon Tour Link provides safe vehicles, airport pickup, day tours, and round tours for all budgets. January brings perfect sea conditions, calm, warm, and safe for all water sports. Try jet skiing, snorkeling, diving, parasailing, surfing in selected spots. It's one of the best months for ocean adventures. And the final tip: plan with experts. January is beautiful, but also busy. If you want a smooth, stress-free holiday, Ceylon Tour Link will organize everything: hotels, transport, whale watching, safaris, scenic train rides, complete January itineraries. Message Ceylon Tour Link today, and let's plan your perfect Sri Lanka holiday.